I've got Allure, some coffee, and test tube. So if you want to see what's in these beauty boxes, stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This is Claire. Anybody could be making their way in the frame because I am home. Chloe is in her room and just hanging out, but you never know when she makes a guest appearance and tries to decide that there's something she likes and needs to take from me, so you just never know. Welcome. If you're new, we're so glad you stopped by. We hope you decide to stay around, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So I'm going to start with my coffee box. This is from the Single Cup Club. I do get this from Crate Joy. It's pretty reasonable. I feel like it's about $13. I may pay extra for shipping. I'm not sure, but still, for the number of pods you get, it is pretty reasonable. My biggest thing with these coffee subscription boxes, I do like the flavored coffee, but I don't like fruity flavored coffee. So Chloe does. My husband and I don't. And I do get two. I don't always open them. Sometimes I take pictures and post it. Sometimes I just drink them. My biggest thing is that there's usually one or two flavors in there that I'm just not going to drink. Maybe my daughter will, maybe not, So I am considering discontinuing the coffee clubs because I have found some really great mixed pod sets on Amazon with all kinds of different flavors that pretty much are something for everybody. While there may be some fruity flavors, there's lots of other flavors too. Usually there's a sticker on top that tells you about the coffee. Not this time. These are from, I believe, Wisconsin, if I'm remembering correctly. And this month we have German chocolate cake, pumpkin spice, and raspberry tiramisu. This I'm gonna like. These two probably not, because German chocolate cake usually has cherry and coconut. I don't really care for those flavors in my coffee, so I think I am probably going to discontinue these. The coffees are great tasting for the ones that I like, but for the amount that I'm actually going to drink and my husband's actually going to drink, and the amount that's just going to sit around and wait for Chloe to drink, it's just not economically the best move. There is your sneak peek for Allure. It does have a little guide that tells you about the different products. The first one, I believe, was a choice. You could have chosen, well, maybe not. I feel like you could have chosen from two different shades, but maybe not. This is by Kaja. It's a $26 value. Their little bento beauty box. So here is the bottom shade. It's a dark chocolate, and then the top shade is a glimmer. There's a little mirror in there so you can see how it's going on. I'm not going to swatch this because I might either have this or have something very similar. This is great for travel, so if you were going on vacation and you just wanted something to do some simple looks with, this would be perfect. It doesn't take up much space. Next, by Evelum, I'm not really sure how you pronounce that. This is the Rescue Mask. This is 50 milliliters. This is a full size. And this right here is valued at $58. It says it's a brilliant solution for stressed out skin. It uses kaolin clay. That helps reduce the oiliness in your face. So particularly if you are more acne prone, this is a great mask for you. It has an herbal scent, so it makes it more like a spa-like kind of experience. And you leave it on for 20 minutes. Next, we have this little sample size of the Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate Moisturizing Face Oil. A full size, which is 1.7 ounces, is $88, so that is a very expensive. This is 0.14 ounces, so just a tiny fraction of it. It has lavender, evening primrose, and rosemary oils. And you're going to use this at night. By Christian S. is the Strand Strengthening Restructuring Moisture Mask. So this is a hair mask. It's infused with coconut oil and shea butter. And use it once a week. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Comb it through your hair and then rinse for, it says, super shiny hair. This is 0.9 fluid ounces or 27 milliliters. The full size of 6.7 ounces is only $15. So if it's a product that I love, it's affordable. I can go and replace that. All right, another full size item by Mud Masky. This is their serum infused moisturizer. It has fruit extracts that gently exfoliate and aloe that soothes irritation. I'm just going to put a thin layer of this after you wash your face. This is a $55 value. So the whole box is like $21. So this is some great value. And even if, sometimes if there's more stuff than you can use, you can always pass it on. I always gift a lot of stuff to family and friends. So they do make for some nice things. And with $21 a month, like, you don't feel so bad about that. And then the last thing in here is by Referral. It's a collagen face mask. This is a 10-minute face mask. And it has licorice root extract, which smooths the skin, while amino acids plump the skin. And 5 sheets go for $15.99, so you're getting 1 sheet. Next, we have a box that I always look forward to getting. This is a quarterly box. This is Test Tube Beauty, powered by New Beauty. I also get their VIP boxes when New Beauty offers those. So Test Tube Beauty brings us some of the best brands in mostly skincare, although there is some cosmetics in there. And everything is just wonderful. Like, I have loved all the products. So it comes just in this little box. It used to come in a test tube. I never got it when it came in a test tube. It came in a test tube in a box, but they don't do that anymore, which is fine because I don't need that extra packaging. Now, this does not come with a card, so I will have to look things up and kind of post the price up for you wherever there is some extra space in the frame. It looks like over here, but could end up over there. Who knows? Here is your sneak peek. Let's get into this. So the very first thing I'm seeing right on top is one of my favorite brush brands, and that's Allure. These are wonderful, wonderful brushes. This is the Angle Contour Brush. Very comfortable, but it's also very comfortable to hold. So it's got like this kind of silicone, kind of bumpy surface, and it just makes it very comfortable in your hand, easy to hold. This is your Angle Contour, so great, great brush. And these are rather expensive brushes too, I will say. Next, we have the 8 Greens. This is their Detox with milk thistle and apple cider vinegar in natural lemon and ginger flavor. Not really sure how that's going to taste, I gotta be honest. Yeah, that may not be something I use. I've tried their vitamins and I didn't really care for the taste of that. If it had maybe a different flavor, I might be more interested, but that just sounds like it's going to kind of not be the tastiest thing. I could be wrong though. If you've tried it, let me know. Next, by Aquage, is a 60-second restorative mask. So that's fantastic. Leave it on for 60 seconds. This looks like it's maybe hair. Although, I don't know. That'd be a face mask. Yes, it is for hair. And you just leave it on for 60 seconds and then rinse. So pretty simple, pretty quick, easy. That's going to go in my shower. And this is 6 fluid ounces. Next, by Off Port, is an exfoliating body soap in coconut water and sandalwood. This is 5 ounces. I'm not a sandalwood person. My husband might really enjoy this though. It says that it has some gentle exfoliation in here. I'm not really feeling anything. It does feel smooth, so it would be a very gentle exfoliator. By Gloss Moderne, we have the Clean Luxury Perfume Oil. I've tried their hair mask and it's amazing. I got it in FabFitFun a couple of times. Maybe I got it in some mystery bundles, but I love their hair mask. Okay, here this is. This is a half ounce. Yes, it's a half ounce. This is paraben free. It is cruelty free, vegan. Let's give it a smell because it doesn't tell me what it's going to smell like. It smells clean. Like it smells like maybe like a little bit of an ocean scent to it, a little bit of a kind of a salty ocean scent. No coconut though. There's no coconut scent in there. I'll have to look up what it says the scent notes are, but I'm getting kind of like a salty ocean breeze scent from it, which I love. That's one of my favorite scents. By Selfless by Haram is the retinol and rainbow algae. Okay, there that is. It says they're helping fight climate change. Every product purchased helps fight climate change by protecting tropical forest and deforestation. This gently targets post-acne marks and hyperpigmentation. And it has a slow-release retinol and a nutrient-rich rainbow algae and tranexamic acid that work together overnight to help reduce the appearance of post-acne marks and target hyperpigmentation. And you're going to use 4 to 5 drops. Again, this is a retinol product, so you're going to want to use it at night, and the next day make sure you are using some sunscreen. By Clover, we have the Plush Pigment Stick Eyeshadow. Okay, so sometimes you do get some makeup in here, but I would say this is more of a skincare box. Looks like this color is called Late Night. So it's just this beautiful purple. By Obagi, this is an insanely expensive brand. It's the Professional C Serum, 15% L-ascorbic acid, vitamin C serum. We got their neck cream, and I mean, that thing was valued at $108, almost $200. Bandit. No. Okay, so it comes with the dropper, which has like a little bit of a bend, which is nice because you can get all the last drops. And here's how it looks. I like that the bottle's blue because it's going to filter out some of the light once you open it up and put it out. We have some Grande gummies. This says it helps with stress management. Let's give those a try. Not the fun type. Not the fun type, guys. You're not going to get the fun type. I've never even tried the fun type. I got to be honest. All right. There is how it looks. It looks like a little leaf. That's tasty. And then we have the New Beauty magazine with Kara Sedgwick on top. So there's all different articles in here. Product reviews, things like that. All right, so those are 3 of my boxes that I wanted to share with you tonight. I'm a little backed up. These are from September. So I'm opening this up on September 12th. I don't know when I'll get it posted, but I've got a lot of old videos that I haven't had time to edit. So I'm going to try to, maybe double up on days, see where we go. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.